Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for any kitchen renovation or upgrade: how to select the perfect kitchen sink for your space. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just looking to refresh your kitchen, finding the right sink can make a huge difference. So, let's get started. How to select the perfect kitchen sink. Alright, let's break this down step by step. We'll cover types of sinks, materials, sizes, and styles to help you find the best fit for your kitchen. 1. Types of kitchen sinks. First things first, let's talk about the different types of kitchen sinks available. Here are the most common ones. Top-mount sinks, also known as drop-in sinks. These are installed from above the countertop. They're easier to install and work well with a variety of countertop materials. Undermount sinks. These are mounted underneath the countertop, creating a seamless look. They're great for easy cleaning as you can wipe crumbs directly into the sink. Farmhouse sinks, also called apron front sinks. These have a distinctive front panel and are very spacious. They're perfect for those who love a classic or rustic look. Integrated sinks, made from the same material as your countertop. These sinks are sleek and seamless. They're usually custom-made and provide a uniform appearance. Double basin sinks, ideal for multitasking. These sinks have 2 separate basins. Great for washing dishes and prepping food simultaneously. Single basin sinks. These provide a large, uninterrupted space. Perfect for washing large pots and pans. So, which type is right for you? It depends on your kitchen layout, your cooking habits, and your personal style. 2. Sink materials. Next up, let's talk materials. The sink material impacts durability, maintenance, and aesthetics. Here are the most popular options. Stainless steel, durable, easy to clean, and resistant to stains and rust. It's a popular choice and works well with almost any kitchen design. Granite composite, made from a blend of crushed granite and acrylic resins. It's highly durable, scratch-resistant, and has a sleek, modern look. Porcelain, classic and elegant. Porcelain sinks are easy to clean but can chip or crack over time. Copper offers a unique, warm look and develops a patina over time. It's antimicrobial but requires regular maintenance to keep it looking its best. Cast iron, coated with enamel. These sinks are incredibly durable and come in a variety of colors. They're heavy, so make sure your cabinet can support it. When choosing a material, consider how much wear and tear your sink will experience and how much maintenance you're willing to do. 3. Sink sizes and configurations. Now, let's talk size. The size of your sink should be proportional to your kitchen space and needs. Here's what to consider. Kitchen size. Measure your countertop space carefully. A larger sink is great if you have ample counter space, but a smaller sink might be better for compact kitchens. Sink depth. Deeper sinks are better for large pots and pans. However, if you're tall, a very deep sink might be uncomfortable to use. Number of bowls. Think about how you use your sink. If you do a lot of cooking, a double basin sink might be useful. If you prefer simplicity, a single basin might be the way to go. Make sure to measure your space accurately and consider your daily needs when choosing the size and configuration of your sink. 4. Sink styles and features. Finally, let's talk styles and features. These can enhance the functionality and look of your kitchen sink. Additional accessories. Some sinks come with built-in accessories like cutting boards, colanders, or drying racks. These can add convenience and help you maximize your sink's functionality. Faucet compatibility. Ensure the sink you choose is compatible with your faucet. Consider a sink with pre-drilled holes if you're using a traditional faucet setup. Noise reduction. If noise is a concern, look for sinks with soundproofing features or pads to minimize the clatter of dishes. Choosing the right style and features can enhance your kitchen experience and make everyday tasks easier. 5. Installation considerations. Finally, think about installation. Some sinks are easier to install than others, so if you're doing it yourself, consider this factor. For complex installations, you might want to hire a professional. If you're unsure about installation, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional to ensure everything is done correctly. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to selecting the perfect kitchen sink. Remember to consider your kitchen's size, your personal needs, and your style preferences when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more home improvement tips. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. How to select appropriate kitchen sink best fitting for kitchen.